Hi there, it's Rob here with Kuma Outdoor Gear. Just here to show you our new backtrack rocker. The first thing, it does come in a bag and also a strap to do it up. It has our classic strap that you actually pull it back so you can get a little bit tighter to get into the bag. But the backtrack rocker, just to open it up, you just allow it to fall down the back once you open it up and pull the front, the seat, and the back together. And then it's essentially up. The one thing that you need to do though is make sure that the plastic is in the bottom stays here, and you just push that down, as you can see, and then you will have your backtrack rocker essentially as a rocking chair. But on this side, we've actually put a water bottle as well as a cell phone holder as well. And then to actually collapse it, what we want to do is to step on the back of each foot again and be able to take this, fold it together, lay it down, bring it up, and then you're able to use your strap again to actually put it back together to go back in the bag. Thank you for watching Kuma Outdoor Gear. Please go to our website to find any more information at kumaoutdoorgear.com. Thank you.